Welcome to our channel. As the leaves begin to change and the air turns crisp, it's the perfect time to refresh your home with cozy, inviting fall decor. In today's video, we're sharing stylish ideas to bring the warmth and charm of autumn into your space. Whether you're decorating a large home or a small apartment, these tips will help you create a beautiful fall-inspired ambience. Choosing a color palette. Start with the right color palette to set the tone for your fall decor. Rich hues like deep oranges, warm browns, and burgundy reds instantly evoke the feeling of autumn. You can also mix in neutral shades like cream, beige, and soft grays to balance the bolder colors. For a more modern twist, consider incorporating jewel tones like emerald green or navy blue. These colors will complement the traditional autumn palette while adding a contemporary flair. Bringing nature indoors. One of the best ways to embrace the fall season is by bringing elements of nature indoors. Use natural materials like wood, rattan, and wicker to add texture and warmth. You can also incorporate seasonal foliage, such as dried leaves, pine cones, and acorns, into your decor. A vase filled with branches or a wreath made of autumn leaves can make a stunning centerpiece for your dining table or mantel. Layering textures. Layering textures is key to creating a cozy fall atmosphere. Start by adding soft throws and plush pillows in seasonal colors to your living room or bedroom. Choose materials like wool, faux fur, and chunky knits for that extra layer of warmth and comfort. A textured area rug in a warm tone can also help anchor your space and make it feel more inviting. Fall-themed accents. Small accents can make a big impact in your fall decor. Consider adding seasonal touches like pumpkins, gourds, and autumn-inspired candles. You can opt for real or faux pumpkins in various sizes and colors to create a festive display. Candle holders in metallic finishes like gold or copper can also add a touch of elegance to your fall setup. Don't forget to switch out your artwork or prints for fall-themed pieces, such as landscapes featuring fall foliage or abstract art in autumnal colors. Setting a cozy dining table. If you enjoy entertaining, fall is the perfect season to create a cozy, inviting dining table. Start with a warm-toned tablecloth or runner, and layer it with textured placemats and napkins. Use natural elements like wooden chargers or a centerpiece made of seasonal fruits and foliage to bring the beauty of fall to your table. For a touch of elegance, add metallic accents through your cutlery, glassware, or candle holders. Creating a welcoming entryway. Your entryway is the first impression guests will have of your home, so make it count with fall-inspired decor. Consider adding a fall wreath to your door, a doormat with an autumnal design, or a planter filled with seasonal flowers like mums or ornamental cabbages. You can also place a lantern or two by the door to add a warm, inviting glow as the days get shorter. And there you have it, simple yet stylish ways to infuse your home with the spirit of fall. Whether you're going for a traditional look or something more modern, these tips will help you create a space that feels warm, cozy, and ready for the season. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Happy decorating!